outside a kitchen door. He wanted so to go inside and hop up on the floor. "Oh no," said Robin's mother, "you had better stay with me, for little birds are safest sitting in a tree." "I don't care," said Robin, and he gave his tail a fling. "I don't think that old folks know quite everything." So into the kitchen fast he flew, but quicker than a wink. A great big cat had caught him because he did not think. Once a little trap was baited with a little piece of cheese. It tickled so a little mouse, it almost made him sneeze. An older mouse said, "Danger, be careful where you go." "Oh, nonsense," said the little mouse, "I don't think you know." Mousie walked in boldly, for nobody was in sight. First he took a nibble, then a great big bite. The trap snapped fast together, as fast as you can blink. It caught poor Mousie fast inside, because he did not think. Listen, all you little friends of mine who hear my little song. Don't you see what trouble comes from simply doing wrong? So why not take a warning from Mouse and Robin's fate? And let's begin our thinking before it is too late. Read your Holy Bible, it will teach you right from wrong. Give your heart to Jesus, sing a happy song. Then, when Satan comes to tempt you, just look to God in prayer, and God will always help you, for God is able.